Good day, teachers and classmates. My name is Camilo Andrés León Dominguez. I make a video about travel to Villavicencio in motorcycle. I love travel by motorcycle and I love Villavicencio city. For this reason, I do the work about the Villavicencio and beautiful landscapes. I have lived 4 years in Villavicencio and made many friends. The last year I visited my best friend Paola, and she has a cowgirl sister, and we attend a cowgirls World Cup. It's very exciting. My friend Paola doesn't like ride motorcycle. For this reason, another day, we travel with my friends who has a motorcycle. If you're going to Villavicencio motorcycle, is recommended you have insect repellent. If you are going to travel to Villavicencio city, it's recommended. It's necessary if you use an other battery on an extra battery. If you use a GPS or cell phone. If you travel motorcycle, it's important to you check the tires, the condition of tires. Excuse me. Okay. If necessary, to bring food, because something you cannot find food is very difficult. If you visit Villavicencio, it's a good idea to ride a horse. Is beautiful. Thanks.